Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix INAZUMA 11 Victory Road not launching or won't launch problem, crashing or crashing at a startup issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the solutions. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and then go to other and then go to restore license. Select INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Now if you have another secondary account, then you can also log in with that and check if that works or not. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to the PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, now switch to either 5 GHz and then check, or you can also switch to either 2.4 GHz and then check. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to enable HDCP. So go to the PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section and then select your current language. Now try changing it to English or any other language to fix the problem. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and then select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. And then launch the INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 8 is to delete the game data and cache. So please take a note, make sure to back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to the settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now select INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console, launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Select your internet type and then select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Now select don't specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS setting, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server, select do not use. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then you can also use 1.1.1.1 as primary DNS and 1.0.0.1 as the secondary DNS, and then you can relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. So simply uninstall the game from your PS5, reinstall the game and then check. Or if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game not launching or won't launch problem, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.